Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing lesson 2 of our SST book, and the name of the lesson is India, our country. Students, can you tell me where do you live? In which country do you live? Yes, we live in India and we are proud to be Indians. India, our country, is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders. It is a country full of beautiful landscapes and beautiful people. India is a unique country with diversity. Diversity in language, diversity in food, diversity in clothing, diversity in the festivals, diversity in states. And we all are proud to be Indians. Location of India. Now, where India is located? India is a part of the continent of Asia and it is located in southern part of Asia. India consists of the mainland and two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Now these islands total, these are a group of 570 islands, out of which 38 are inhabited. And second group of island is Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. There are total 36 group of islands, and out of these 36 islands only 10 are inhabited. Inhabited means where population lives. Size of India. India is the second largest country in the world in terms of population. So population wise India comes at second number. Can you tell me which is the most populous country of the world? China. China is the most populous country of the world. And countries which are larger than India in area are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. And area wise it is seventh largest country in the world. Remember, population wise India is second largest country of the world and area wise it's seventh largest country in the world, and it stretches approximately 2933 km from east to west and 3214 km from north to south. India, a peninsular country. India is a peninsular country. So first you should know what is the meaning of peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. So a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. And the southern part of India is a peninsula. So India is called a peninsular country, and in its southern part our country is bounded by three water bodies. In its west there is Arabian Sea, in the east Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean in the south. Neighboring countries of India. In this map, you can see the neighboring countries of India. India shares its borders with several countries, which include Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Sri Lanka and Maldives are our across the sea neighbors. If we see direction wise, in the north, which neighboring countries do we have? China, Nepal and Bhutan. In northwest, the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan and Afghanistan. And in the east, India shares its borders with Bangladesh and Myanmar. And in the south, the neighboring countries of India are Sri Lanka and Maldives. states and union territories of India. Now, India is a union of states. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. These states and union territories are called the political divisions of India. All the states and union territories have their own capitals. So first we look at the states of India and their capitals. So New Delhi is the capital of India. And in this chart, you can see all the states of India and their capitals. Andhra Pradesh, capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. And capital of Manipur is Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Now Haryana and Punjab, these two states share the same capital. They have the same capital, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. This is the area wise, it is the largest state of India. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Sikkim's capital, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. Now we will read about what are the 8 union territories and their capitals. So we have 8 union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, its capital is Port Blair. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Puducherry, its capital is Puducherry. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Now, this is only one union territory. First, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu were 2 separate union territories. Now, they have been merged into one and their capital is Daman. Chandigarh is also a UT, union territory, and its capital is Chandigarh. The government of NCT of Delhi, its capital is Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, it has 2 capitals. Srinagar in summers, means in summers capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar, and in winters capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu. Ladakh, its capital is Leh. So Rajasthan is the largest state of India, while Goa is the smallest state in area. Landforms of India. Now, land in India is not same everywhere. India has many landforms such as mountains, deserts and plains. Children, when you go to hill station, you can see the mountains over there. When you go to Rajasthan, there we can see deserts, and we are living in plain areas. And these landforms are also called the physical features of India. Based on the physical features, India is divided into 6 physiographic divisions, or 6 physical features we can say, or 6 landforms are found in India. The name of these 6 landforms are the Himalayan mountains, or these are also known as Northern mountains because these are found in north direction. Then we have Northern plains, Great Indian Desert, Southern plateaus, coastal plains and islands. So this is all about this first chapter. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thanks for watching the video.